In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Anytype on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you want a secure and private digital workspace for notes, projects, and personal organization, Anytype is a great option. In this guide, I'll walk you through the download and installation process in a simple and clear way so you can get everything set up correctly on your computer. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Anytype website at anytype.io. It's important to use the official site so you download the correct and most up-to-date version of the app. Once you're on the home page, look for the download button and click it. This will take you to the area where you can choose the version of Anytype that matches your operating system. Make sure you select the correct option for your computer, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux. Choosing the right version helps avoid compatibility issues during installation. If you're on Windows, locate the installer file after it finishes downloading. In most cases, it will appear in your Downloads folder unless your browser saves files somewhere else. Double-click the installer, then follow the standard prompts shown on your screen to complete the setup. This usually includes confirming that you want to install the app and waiting a moment while the installation finishes. If you're using a Mac, open the downloaded DMG file. A window should appear showing the Anytype icon and your Applications folder. Drag the Anytype icon into Applications to install it. This is the normal installation method for many Mac apps, and it keeps everything organized in the right place. If you're on Linux, you'll need to use the file type that best fits your system. You can launch the downloaded app image file directly, or install the DEB package if your distribution supports it. The exact process may vary slightly depending on your Linux setup, so just follow the method that works best for your environment. After installation is complete, open the Anytype application. From there, create a new account or vault depending on how you want to begin. During this setup, you'll be given a secret recovery phrase. This part is very important. Make sure you write it down somewhere safe and private, because it can be essential for recovering access later. Once that's done, you're ready to start using Anytype and begin building your own secure and private digital workspace.